With this method, you'll go from 10 push-ups to 100 push-ups using a secret technique no one will tell you about. If you're doing push-ups every day but not seeing any progress, don't worry, I've got the solution. Just watch this video until the end. 99% of people do between 5 to 15 push-ups and keep repeating the same numbers. They never increase their reps, or more importantly, they never train to muscle failure. If you stay like this, you'll never reach 100 push-ups because your body gets used to the same reps. You need to increase the intensity. The first mistake is stopping as soon as you feel muscle pain. You could still do more reps, but you quit because you can't handle the discomfort. That's why you don't grow stronger. The second mistake is relying only on easy push-up variations. If you push your body with harder versions like decline push-ups, feet on a chair, or close grip push-ups, you'll build much more strength and endurance. That makes hitting 100 standard push-ups much easier. The third mistake is not tracking your progress. Every time you do push-ups, write down the exact number of reps you achieved. Next time, add 3 to 5 more reps and keep progressing like that until you hit 100 push-ups with ease. But the most important advice, always train to muscle failure if you want to see fast results. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.